Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the baseline facts, where the queen started and where she stands now. Once done, map every open file and diagonal she can use and mark which pieces shield or chase her. Make sure to check adjacent minor pieces and pawn structures that create flight squares or traps. You now have a working map. Use it immediately to predict legal queen retreats and potential tactics that force her along fewer routes. This is where tracking becomes actionable, not just observational. You continue by tracing the queen's reachable squares one ply at a time, listing checks, captures, and direct threats that change her map. Once a forcing move appears, commit. Checks, pins, and discovered attacks compress her options quickly, so play or anticipate those moves to corral her. Make sure to recalculate after every capture or pawn push, because a single pawn move can open or close entire diagonals. By doing this repeatedly, you convert many potential squares into a few forced continuations. You finish by executing the decisive forcing sequence. Drive the queen toward a rank, file, or diagonal where captures or trades end her influence. Once done, ensure you do not create a stalemate by leaving no legal moves. Maintain the blockade, but leave one legal reply if needed until the tactic resolves. If the queen unexpectedly slips away, stop and redraw the reachable square map. Then prioritize fresh forcing motifs, checks or pins, to regain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.